The following video covers proper flashing techniques when a T-joint occurs above a window or door opening. This video demonstrates a T-joint above a window. The same considerations apply for T-joints above door openings. When flashing a window to the zip system sheathing surface, special consideration must be given to any vertical seams that occur above the window opening. There are three different options for detailing the intersection between the vertical seam above the window and the head flashing. One option is to shingle the vertical seam tape over the top of the window head flashing. Shingle the vertical seam tape a minimum 2 inches over the window head flashing. Roll the tape. Install a piece of drip edge above the window and flash it to the zip system tape above with 4-inch zip system tape. Roll the tape. The second option is to use 6-inch zip system tape to flash the window to the zip system sheathing on top of the vertical seam tape. To use this method, when installing the window, use 6-inch zip system tape to flash the top flange of the window to the zip system sheathing surface. Roll the tape. After flashing the window, install a piece of drip edge above the window and flash it to the zip system tape above with 4-inch zip system tape. Roll the tape. The third option is to use 2 layers of 4-inch zip system tape to flash the top flange of the window. First, use 1 piece of 4-inch zip system tape to flash the top flange of the window to the zip system sheathing. Roll the tape. Shingle a second, horizontal 4-inch piece of zip system flashing tape overlapping the first horizontal head flashing by 2 inches. Roll the tape. A tape-saving option is to use a shorter, second horizontal piece that extends a minimum of 2 inches past the vertical piece of tape onto the zip system panel surface. Roll the tape. After installing the window, install a piece of drip edge above the window and flash it to the zip system tape above with 4-inch zip system tape. Roll the tape. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for air sealing the gap between the window frame and rough framing on the inside of the window opening. Find more technical tips and product information by visiting youtube.com/zip system sheathing.